Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the ultimate fashion lover, Laura. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Feeling romantic this summer? Into the cottagecore look? Look no further. We have this cute, beautiful little dress by Andre by Unit in, and I think it's called the Calliope. It's so soft. It does have a liner, so don't worry, you won't be exposing yourself anytime soon. Puff sleeves. It's got a nice white and pale green pinstripe. It's got tiers all the way down. Nice little elastic in the back here. Square neckline. Pair it with a straw bag or even a basket, and off to a picnic. Ahoy! Feeling the nautical vibe? You will in this outfit. Check out these wonderful pants that we just got in from Franza. 3 buttons up the top. I will warn you though, these ones fit small. Normally I would wear like a 12, maybe a 10. This one's are 14. This is like the Rosa Curve pant, and I might need these pants, you guys. Then I'm topping it off here with this tank from Charlie B, the Josie, with this nice ombre stripe going on here. And on top, this jacket that I must own. I need to have this jacket. It's by Savannah Jane. It's called the Clover. Look at these wonderful pockets. They go with a whole scoop there on the side. And the best part yet, look at this button detail on the back, which is fully attachable if you want to be getting crazy with some patterns on the back of you. Now, off I go, sailing into the sunset. Who doesn't love a wonderful everyday dress? People should really be getting into everyday dresses more. Dresses are not just for special occasions. Wear a nice, comfortable dress like this one from Soy Concept. It's called the Liana. For just about anything. You need to go run errands? Wear this dress. You need to go out to a brunch? Wear this dress. You're suddenly called on a hot date? You can still wear this dress. As long as you're not going to the fanciest of all restaurants in the entire universe. Pairing it with this beautiful cream hat. You know I love a good hat. And then also, check out the smoking, check out the V-neck on this. I need this dress. I know I say I need all these clothes. You guys don't understand. This dress is for me. Soy Concept coming in clutch with this comfortable, everyday summer dress. It's country club hours. Check out this wonderful little shorts and blazer outfit that came from Franza. Yes, Franza. Anyway, nice little beige and a navy blue pinstripe. Look at this blazer, guys. It's got a little tab here that you can cuff your sleeves, the button. It's got a drawstring so you can really cinch in your waist. And then underneath I have the matching shorts. Now these are the plus size style shorts. The regular straight size, they don't have this wonderful little paper bag tie belt going on at the top. And they're a little bit shorter, but still super freaking comfortable. Wearing it with a black tank top with a square neck. That's the Mia from the Decks. The whole Franza outfit is called the Winnie, shorts and blazer. Now, I do believe I'm expected at the tee for golf time. All right, coming in cute and casual for the summertime. You know how I love to have a nice, long, comfortable, everyday summer dress. Just something you can throw on and wear wherever. Now here is the Radia dress from Soy Concept. You know Soy Concept's coming in with the comfort and the softness of the fabrics. And then nice maxi length, got 2 tiers here going on. Pairing it with this Charlie B denim jacket. It is Charlie B this time. I checked. But just give some attention to the top half of your body. And also keeping you warm when it gets a little cool in the evenings. And then got my favorite felt hat here. You know I'm rocking a hat. And then I just feel like going off to the market. Just hanging out with my pals. Going down to the beach. You choose. Life's an adventure.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.